and we're gonna make dinner now. We're making some soup. We're making chicken foot soup. So if you guys are easily skeeved out by that sort of thing, you might want to skip about 3 minutes ahead. But yeah, cue the cooking. Beautiful people, it's a lovely Monday morning. We have a few things to do today. I decided to pull you guys out because we have a couple things to tackle. First of all, let me just get some light in this kitchen. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm actually really shocked. I was expecting rain, wind, cold. Well, it is still cold, but it's really pretty outside. Just not warm. But yeah, we have a few things that we're gonna be doing today. I woke up this morning at 5 a.m. so really early, and I was just getting some work done. I'm just gonna make some coffee, straighten up the kitchen, or also start dinner because I'm making beef stew, and we all know that has to go in the slow cooker, and it's called a slow cooker for a reason. It's gonna take forever to cook. So I'm just gonna do those two things. Then I'm gonna swap out the kitchen handles because the new ones came. Also, dining table, dining chairs are gonna be coming soon. Don't know if I mentioned or not, but this was only a temporary kind of setup because I wasn't sure what direction I wanted to go in. And instead of being impulsive and getting something that I was gonna hate 2 months later, I thought about it long and hard, tried out different styles. Definitely won't be keeping a circular kind of in here. I'm gonna go with a rectangle because I just feel like the room is very large-ish. But what I do know for sure was that I wanted like unique chairs, so that was ordered. And I definitely wanted to go walnut because even though this is not like wood, this tone I think looks really nice in here. I love these tone, and I also love the black leather. So I do know that for sure that I do want this combo. So I got something similar but like way different style. We have the beef washed, cleansed, season it really quickly. I also have a pan over here going with some olive oil that I'm gonna use to sear the beef. With this seasoning here, I purchased this from Trader Joe's. It's a really great savory blend that goes nicely on meats. Black pepper, of course. This is sealed really tightly, okay. We got it open. That's a lot of pepper. I'm gonna go in with a little herb fest. This is just like a very herby blend. Get this from Whole Foods. A little salt. A little paprika. Rub that in nicely. Don't mind my lettuce, you guys. It's just really stained. I need to scrub it properly. smells so good. I wouldn't necessarily say scallion is a key ingredient here, but the Caribbean in me cannot make meals without scallion and thyme. And for your carrots, again, we're gonna do a rough chop of these. I'm trying to decide, should I cut them like on an angle? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I feel like that's more stew-like. All right. And put the heat back on high a little. Give it a really nice stir. And look how beautiful that looks. Water is hot, just add that in. Anyways guys, forgive my appearance today. We're in our loungewear because we're just doing a bunch of stuff around the house. I have tons to do. But the beef stew smells amazing. It's been cooking now for like 3 hours. It's smelling so good. I'm so hungry. But again, my handles came for the kitchen, so I'm gonna try to swap these out really quickly. All right guys, I am finished. It took me way longer than I care to admit. And in between I had a little mini breakdown because as I was removing the old ones, the screw broke off in the cabinet. And I was like, oh my gosh, like I am completely screwed. But after going on a couple like forums, Reddit forums, I was able to fix it. Hi guys, brand new day. Just finished shooting a ton of videos. This area is a complete mess, but I just finished shooting a haul, and now I'm going to prepare myself some lunch. You know how average people make a little quick lunch, you know, and stuff like that, but no, I want to make wings. And I have so much work to do, so I don't have time, but I'm just really, wait, why do I have so many notifications? Yikes, I have like so many messages. Is everything okay? Oh, it just adds. New York Pilates, DHL. Let me just check my email really quickly. Just make sure that there's no buyers that need putting out. Okay, we're good. So again, I'm gonna be making some chicken wings. They're here. So I love wings, or I like them, but I don't like ordering wings from stores, like, you know, like wing places. I mean, I haven't tried that many, so I'm sure there are places that make them really well. I just don't find that the wings are that, they just look too big and artificial. I'm gonna just get nervous. I'm gonna say, no, I don't want it. So I always just buy this pack of wings from Whole Foods and make my own if and when I start craving wings, you know? I thought I'd show you how I make mine because I'm very particular and I think the flavor is just amazing. So yeah, let's do a really quick cooking video. So I start by taking the wings out, and I'm just going to cut off these little excess pieces, the little skinny skin areas, because I don't like that. Do this to all of them. Now I'm just gonna wash the chicken. Vinegar. Let me just wash my hands because salmonella. Now I'm gonna go into my seasoning cabinet that you guys helped me organize. and I'm just gonna season the crap out of these wings. So starting off with our basics, black pepper, and I'm just going to sprinkle a generous amount. We're gonna go in with some onion powder. I'm gonna go in with this seasoning called Tennessee Jerk. I did not buy a container for this because I don't think it's necessary. I don't think I'd be repurchasing that. It is so spicy. Going in with like a little all-purpose seasoning blend. And then we're gonna go in with my favorite seasoning ever. It's the Ajika Georgian seasoning. I don't know if this is like native to Georgia, but I found it in the Trader Joe's down here. Parsley flakes just to add a little greenery to the seasoning. And I feel like I'm missing something. Okay, I'm looking for the barbecue. Looking for barbecue. Looking for barbecue rub. My favorite style of wings is barbecue, but not too sweet. I want it to be very spicy. I don't know if I showed you guys or not, but I added the seasonings to like shelves. But you see how you're only able to see the title of the front ones and not anything else? That's kind of annoying me, but it's more functional than the stacking on top of each other that I had going on before. I'm gonna put a little browning, and if your browning does not look like this in your pantry, you are just that girl, because I don't know how you guys keep this bottle clean. And I'm gonna add a splash of liquid smoke, just a little bit. A little smoky barbecue sauce. I'm gonna just get my gloves for this because I hate when this gets under my nails. So this is what they look like right now. Just, you know, raw, but very well seasoned. Pop them in the oven. I don't know how long yet, but because I don't ever like time it, but I'm gonna time it for you guys so you know exactly how to put it in. Right. See you soon, little babies. And I'm gonna start editing this vlog right now. Wait, no, I'm gonna actually finish up a Sephora job that I have to do, and then I'm gonna sit down and edit for the rest of the day. Probably gonna close you guys out because again, I'm going away for the weekend, and I don't want to let this vlog sit in my Final Cut for too long because then I will never upload it. I don't know why I do that, but things smell so good in the house. But we're in the office because we need to do a really big clear out in here. The floor is a mess. Just lots going on, just packaging and a lot of stuff. I also really want to get rid of this rug that's in here. I just don't love it, and it's annoying because the window to return it has passed, and I knew I did not like it the moment it came, but I decided to keep it. But now I'm like, you should have followed your mind. My desk, guys, I really can't. It's impossible to keep this office clean. Like, impossible. Trash. Trash. This is so cute. What is this? You know what? I'm not gonna unbox this because this would make a great present for somebody. Oh. I bought this for my natural hair. Alright, this stuff. It's getting there. By the way, has anyone ever tried these? It's by Higher Dose. It's the Chill Chews. I've never tried them, but they look really interesting. They're supposed to help you relax. Cameras belong over here. Oh my goodness, do you know how long I've been looking for this mini skirt? The whole time it's been in here, I thought it was a bonnet. Shaking my head. I'm going through this bag. I recently took it out of town, so. Toiletry bag, wipes, hand cream, winter fresh gum, scrunchie. This is the soap. Ooh, that smells really good. By the way, so sorry that my vlogs are so boring now. Sometimes I feel so bad, but then I don't, because I remember back in the day when I would only vlog from my bedroom. You remember that? Those were my favorite days of vlogging. I won't lie. When we used to just stay home and I would just rearrange my bedroom a million times and clean. Listen, you guys are so lucky that I don't know how to dance, because if I could, you know those little dances that they be doing? That would be me. That would literally be 80% of my content. But yeah, it's been a day for me. I have just been running around, shooting content. I have so many things due. I completed one earlier. I want to upload a vlog for you guys, or start editing it at least. And yeah, I shot 2 videos today. So exciting and productive day. Now it's 4:30. And I'm just trying to clean up now. Like all the things I hauled earlier, I'm just gonna get those, just gonna try to put those upstairs and clean up that front area, because I just shot a video over there and I know it's a mess. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this vlog. I'm gonna just close out here. I just want to focus on editing now and getting some stuff like edited, you know what I mean, and like finished. That would definitely be the highlight of my day, actually completing an editing project of sorts today. That would really make me happy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you so much. Thanks for your love and your support, and I'll see you in the next one.